Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel. All right, this is going to be a longer process video because I have to play some catch up regarding close to my heart products. I was away for Thanksgiving for the week. Then I returned and participated on 12 Days of Christmas, where we document photographs and a layout every day for the first 12 days. That kept me busy. So I wasn't able to let you know some of the new products that were released. I also was late in ordering some of the new products, so I only received them December 11th. And today's December 15th. I know I have already uploaded 2 videos today, 2 for the 16th, and I was going to wait till the 17th, but it's too late. And I wanted to do a giveaway for anyone that purchased Close to My Heart products through me at my link listed below. You will be entered in for this Christmas stamp. And yes, I wanted to do this earlier so that it got to you to use it to make Christmas cards, but it will be perfect for next year. Anyone that has already purchased, you will be entered in to receive this stamp set. And I know 3 people have already purchased in the month of December. So anyway, this is my giveaway. And it will go till December 31st, just to give everybody a chance. Now, I will add a caveat to it. If you are selected and you really, really don't want the stamp, I do have an alternative gift that I can send, a different type of a stamp. But just let me know that you're not interested in a Christmas stamp if you're selected, and I will just pick someone else to give it to. All right, but I'll give the first winner that chance. The second person, guess what? You'll get it anyway, right? All right, like I said, this video is going to be long. All right, off to the new release for December 1st through January 31st. This was like a surprise. I call them surprise releases. They're not in the catalog. And this is the Urban Collection. I purchased the kit, and you can purchase the full kit with the stamp for $35.95, which it has a discount rate. I think it's 15-20%, something like that. Or you can purchase the kit without the stamp set, and that would be the wood veneer, the stickers, the pattern paper, and cardstock, little placement cards, and 5 envelopes to do 5 cards for $28.95. We're going to go into it some more regarding how you can purchase bits and pieces. All right, so let's start off with, well, I got the wood veneer. You can purchase these wood veneers separately. That's Z3552. I'll have the link listed below. I'm not sure what the cost is though on these. It's, I think, around $6 or so. I'll have that listed below too. So you get a nice set of arrows in here, different shapes, and some trees. I love arrows. I love, love, love arrows. All right, the stamp set. Let's just get with the stamp set and get this out of my hand. I'm holding it in my other hand. All right, this collection does not just have to be for mail figures. You can use it for vacation layouts as well. Let me bring that white paper back here. There, look at that. Okay, and I'll try to bring this up a little bit closer into the camera so you get an idea here. The only thing that's really mail related, just the guys. And you can, if there are no guys and you don't make guys cards, that's not going to happen or whatever, you can cut around and just have just the and use other words. So we have epic and awesome and what a day. We have these little, oh my gosh, what do you call those? Clogs. We have stars. This says scenic route. You have some mixed media type stuff, and then to mimic metal, like etched in the metal, you have a circle with the arrow. You got another star. And this collection, the code on this is, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? and it's called Urban Flair, is CC12194, $18.95 by itself. You can purchase it just on its own. All right, we have the sticker pack here. And the pattern paper, and it's double-sided. So if you do not like that gray or can't use it, or you only want to use the gray on gray, and it has the mixed media distressing type look going on, same with this blue side, which almost looks like a circuit board, you know, electronic type thing, printed in this paper, along with this like mustard type yellow, this yellow that's in here. So you could use either one if you were not following the workshop kit and you just wanted the pattern paper and cardstock kit. That would be paper and I said cardstock. Paper and sticker pack is CC12191. Like I said, I'll have that listed below. You have this awesome, isn't this, I love this craft kind of wood grain look with spots of the yellow so that it blends with your page. It's right there as well. Hopefully you can pick it up or you can zoom in. Let's see if I can bring that up closer and that helps. I don't know that it helps. And then that's the opposite side, and you've got that blue in there and the yellow and that craft color, and then you have word elements up here. Here you have, I love this side, you've got some faded numbers here. It's all about that grungy mixed media look. I love that it's come back. I mean, that was the thing not too long ago. And then you have, again, this looks like metal that's been, you know, crimped and crunched, you know, and almost gives you that corrugated look, but they're going for more like that metal, like even on a side of a building. So you can purchase just the pattern paper for $6.95. You can get the pattern paper and sticker sheet for $7.95. Then we have the cardstock here. This is called, it starts with an S, chiffon, something like that, chiffon. This is peacock. This is pewter. This craft, I call craft, is toffee. So you get two each. You only get one of the peacock with the kit and one of this. If you buy just the cards kit, you will get two, and two of the French vanilla. But in the kit, we get 4 French vanillas because we're going to make some cards. All right, so that's that. In this kit, and you follow the kit, you will create 1 single page layout, 3 double page layouts, and 5 cards. All right, I was having a horrible Sunday, that's today, this morning, with electronics. My computer and my wireless printer did not want to communicate. So I could not print the first page 1 through 6. I could not print page 1 through 6, and page 7 only printed half of it. So I can't show you exactly what layout 1 will look like, except for you're going to have a photograph that's going to be on an angle. It's a square, so we're going to have some squares going on here. I will have to use my computer to play along. So that is why we are not going to, on the 17th, I was going to show you how to cut up the papers. I can't do that because the instructions, I need the hard copies, and I'll show you why, what I would do. So here is, here is project 2, which is a double page layout. So here you print it out and you can follow the instructions on putting together. So this is actually page 7 here, sorry. And it didn't finish printing out. So I have to look, and like I said, I don't have the cutting instructions. but we will assemble the pages together because I can tell by that. I mean, I've got enough instruction. Page 2. Oh, and just let you know, as you can tell, I am using outdoor photographs. Even though the sticker sheet shows the city, and I'm going to use it, you're going to see how you can take outdoor photographs that has nothing to do with the city, city life, the cityscape, anything, and you can use this collection. This one, I'm going to document photographs of a soccer game that rained on my little guy the entire time, and me soaking wet. Project 4 is going to be another double page layout. And, where did one of the sheets? Right here. Too fast. This one is also going to be about me taking a walk in the rain up at our mountain property. And when I took my walk, the bridge was flooding again. And I've said this in a couple of videos. This will be like the third time I document in 2018. Because it just kept happening and happening. The fourth time is the one that I just documented, where because of the ground being so saturated, there was so much erosion going on. When it flooded the fourth time this happened like from March through July, that the debris got so many of these trees that just could not, their root system could not stay in the wetness any longer, that I just document where it's all up in here in the bridge. So anyway, so that's my point. It has nothing to do with a vacation or the city life, and I'm using this collection. And I love doing this so that you know that there are options, guys. There are options. You got to think outside the box sometimes. And sometimes, even if you think outside the box, it's just not going to work. And that's happened to me. My mind just got stuck. And I thought, I can use those papers, but I can't use that workshop kit to fit for me. And you can make alterations with the workshop kits as well, but sometimes you're still kind of limited. And I get that. But I'm just telling you, I'm going to show you. And then these are the 5 cards that we will create. And yes, I'm going quickly because I'm going to be doing a process video, guys, for each one of these projects. So the cards will all be together on one project in each of the layout projects. So if the first one is a single, then we're going to have a double. I'm going to pre-cut all my papers. If you get this kit, which I hope it fits for you, you will need to have these inks or something similar to these colors. So you're going to need pewter, sapphire, and toffee. You're going to need a number 1 ink pad, some sort of sponge. That's from close to my heart. You will need adhesive, and of course your acrylic blocks. Now, I love these acrylic blocks. This is what do I have a sample of what I used before? They are Tim Holtz thin ones. And I no longer can stand them, but I keep them to show you. Look at this. Okay, see the thickness? I know it's a long video. We're 15 minutes. I'm going to cut it short here. All right, so there's the thickness. This makes it nice. You can actually, I tell ladies, it's almost like a magnifying. You've got that stamp and you can see exactly where this, you don't have, once your stamp, it's there, or you drop it. I mean, there's nothing to hold your fingers on. Look at, look at the thickness. There is no, and just the fact that it kind of magnifies. I love it, love them, love them. All right, I have them all. I'm just showing you those one right now. But yes, build your collection, I'm telling you. All right, for the month of January, oops, I said that kind of loud. I'm sorry. For the month of January, I'm going to give you a sneak peek because the catalogs are coming out. This is the catalog for January, February. The next collection I'll be working on in January, and I did buy the kit because, again, I fell in love with it. It fits my style. I know that I can work with it to make it even fit more with the style of my lifestyle is what I'm getting at. I can make any products work my style, but the colors and the scheme works with my lifestyle, and it can work with a lot of people's lifestyle. So it's called Spruced Up, and let me tell you, you can use it to document winter photographs. You can document some more Christmas photographs. You can document outdoor photographs. All right. So I'm just putting it out there, but I am not letting you see it until January. January, guys. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit that bell button or click that bell button and say you want to receive all notifications. Don't forget, I have a giveaway starting today, December 15th through the 31st. That's Christmas stamp. And like I said, if you really you get selected and you just like, nope, I can't have that, Dolly. You want to order, don't let this bother you. Or if you want to order and say, don't enter me in the giveaway, or you can say, can I get an alternative gift? Yeah, just whisper it in my ear. Can I get an alternative gift? Your wish is my command, okay? In January, 4 giveaways. You're not getting any sneaks, but you got to hit that bell button and you will receive my notifications. Those giveaways will only last for a week. Okay, anybody that's purchased in December is eligible. In January, you will have to purchase within that week to get that free gift. I appreciate you all. Enjoy your holidays with your families and friends, however you celebrate them. Remember to create those memories so you have memories to document and stories to tell. If you have time, get out those photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way. If you have any questions, you need any assistance with scrapbooking, just leave me a comment or message me and I'll be glad to assist. All right, until then, we'll see you again. Like I said, I have my first layout using the Urban Collection. Layout number 1 will be posted December 17th. All right, take care, guys. Bye.